Hi guys, I'm Sepita. I'm a programmer and I want to test the famous strategies in Forex trading, and I want to share my experience with you. So I will write an expert advisor for any of these strategies, and we will test in the MetaTrader 5. Um, I hope it will be useful for you too. Okay, so the strategy I wanna test in this video is the famous strategy that we know. Um, it works with EMA and MACD. So when MACD histogram is crossed above the signal line and it's the chart is above EMA, we have a buy signal. So we will open a buy position and our stop loss will be below the EMA 200, and our TP would be 1.5 in this example, and I will test different TP and stop losses. So it's buy signal, and for sell signal it's vice versa, and MACD histogram cross below the signal line, and the chart should be below the EMA 200. So here we will open a sell position and our stop loss will be above the EMA, and the TP would be 1.5 stop loss. So let's try this. I've already written the code for it and made an expert, and I wanna test it. Okay, I will test it for euro 1 minute for 2023 for past 8 months. Okay, we have 1% profit. Let's say for 5 minutes. Okay, we had for 47% loss. Let's see for 15 minutes. We have 60% loss. Let's say for 30. It had 15% loss. Let's see for 1 hour. Okay, we had 38% profit for 1 hour. So it's good for 8 months. So let's try it for 2022 till um, this year. didn't work fine. Let's try for with more money. I will test it for 1000.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Okay, so it's not working fine for the euro in any time frames, any time period. It was okay for 2023, but for longer time it was not okay. So let's try it for gold. Let's start from 1 minute and for 2023. Okay, it didn't work fine. Let's try for 5 minutes. Okay, we had 70 loss. Let's see for 15.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight.
We had 18% loss. Let's try for M30. We had 53 loss. Let's try for 1 hour.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
We had 400% profit. So it's working. It's working fine for gold for 1 hour in 2023. Let's see for the past year. Okay, so it's not working fine for 2022 till now. I will increase the initial deposit. Let's see what happened. So no, it's not working fine for not gold, not euro, and I think not any other pairs. Um, I will work on it. I will change TP and stop loss and other settings in this strategy, so we can work on it, and we will see what happens. Can we trust on it? Can we make it profitable or not? Now I changed the TP to 2 times stop loss. Before it was 1.5. Now I change it to 2. Let's see the results. Okay, so it's not doing well. The next thing I want to test is I want to change the stop loss value. Now I put it on 20, so it will close the position when the candle is closed 20 pips above or below the EMA. For example, if we have a buy position, it will close the position when it goes 20 points under the EMA. Now I wanna change this value. So first I wanna make it mm, smaller. So um, every time candle is closed above or below the EMA, it will close the position no matter how many pips it would be. Let's try it. Okay, not good. Um, and now I want to make it bigger. For example, mm, 40. If the candle close 40 above or 40 below the EMA, it will close the position. Okay, not good. The next thing I want to try is I remove, I change the TP to static value. It was 1.2 and 2 times stop loss. Now I want to change it to 1000 points. Um, so it's static. So I will test it for gold 1 minute for 2023. I will test it for all time frames. First for 1 minute. Now we had minus 70% loss, so not good at all. Let's see for 5 minutes. So we received margin call here. because I put it on every 30 dollars it can open a positions, and it had 67 loss. Let's see the positions that are opened with experts, so we can see how it works. For example, we have a buy here. We had a cross. MACD is crossed above signal line, and the chart is above the EMA. So it opened a buy here, and here we had the stop loss under the EMA. So it closed here, and it was with loss. And let's see, a sell position here. We had a cross down here, and it was under the EMA, so we had a sell position here, and our stop loss was above the EMA when a candle is closed here. So we had loss here too. I just wanted to show how it worked. Let's say for 15 minutes.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Okay, we had about 65 last year too. For it's not good for 15 too. Let's see for M30. Okay, so it went to about 300, but at last it's went down, and um, it had 16 loss. Okay, let's see for 1 hour. Okay, so for 1 hour we had 80% profit, 80% in about 8 months, so it's not bad. And now we want to test it for a longer time. So let's say for 2022 till 2023 for 1 year, and 1 year and 8 months. Okay, so it's so not good. Let's try it for euro for 1 minute first.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Okay, so we have 26% profit for euro 1 minute in 18 months. So let's see for 5 minutes.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, so for 5 minutes we had 2% profit, so 1 minute was better. Let's see for 15. Okay, so we had 17 minus 17, so it's not good. Let's see for M30. Okay, we had 70 loss. So let's try for 1 hour. Okay, so it here also we had 16 loss. So I can say it was not good for any time frame, and not for euro and not for gold. I want to change some parameters in expert setting. For example, if a MACD is here, we had 30. If MACD is 30 points above the zero, and the MACD is above signal line, then it goes down. It's detected as sell signal. Now I want to make it 0, so any value above the 0, it will um, know it as a sell signal, and for buy also I put it 0. So I want to test it for gold 1 hour. So no, it's not better, and result is not good at all. Now I remove the stop loss, so we will have no stop loss and just TP. Um, and TP is static value on 1000 points. Okay, it was doing well at first, but suddenly it received margin call. What I'm gonna do for it is I will put my stop loss on and my equity. So if we have a position here and our equity goes down the 30%, it should close the position. So something like this won't happen. And if we have so much loss, it will close the position. Okay, so now we remove the stop loss above or below the EMA, and our stop loss will be just when we have 70% loss.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
Okay, so we had 16% loss, and it didn't work well. I want to test it for different time frames. For example, 15 minutes.
Is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
So it wasn't good for 15 minutes too. Um, so till now, we have no good results. Let's try different value for our stop loss. I will put it on 50. So if we have 50% loss, it closes the position.
Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
So no, it didn't work. I will change the initial deposit. And for every 100, we'll open one. So we had 500 minus 500 loss. Let's try it for 1 hour. I was testing on 15. So we had 100 minus 100%. Now I added martingle to the expert, and if we have TP, it will close the position for with 1000 points, and we have if we have loss, it will open extra positions every 1000 points for gold. Now I'm trying on gold. So let's see for 2023 for gold and 1 hour.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
Okay, so for last year it didn't work well. Um, I want to show you how it worked. Um, so we have a sell position here, and the price was going up, and it was um, our loss will was increasing. So mm, when it was going up, we added some extra sell to it, and every 1000 points it opens another position, and so on continued. And it should when all positions are opened, it must close the position when from the first equity mm, will be 10% more. It closes all positions together. So if we hadn't reached that number, all positions will be open. So here we didn't have a good result. Now I want to change another thing. Um, the distance multiply was 1, so the distance wasn't changed. So I want to change it to 2. So every time, for example, if our first martingale is 1000 points, the next will be 2000, and the next will be 4000. Uh, and I will change the volume for the next level. Now I will test it. Okay, it's not good. And let's increase the volume multiply, so every time it will open 2 times volume. Okay, it's not working, so let's try it for euro.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, so we can see it can work fine, but in some place it received margin call. So we can say martingale also didn't work. The last thing I want to add to this expert is hour for trading. It should open positions from 11 in 11 a.m. to um, 2 p.m. and from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. It can open positions. But if it has any open positions from before, it will close every positions on 8 p.m. So we have no um, open position from before to the next day. Let's see the result for gold 1 hour and 2023. Okay, so it didn't change the result, and we still have 100% loss. So the hour didn't change the result. So in conclusion, we can say this strategy wouldn't work. We have tried it for different time frames, different pairs. I tested it for euro and gold, and different time frames from 1 minute, 5 minutes, and to 1 hour. We tested it for 2023 and the years before, but it didn't work at all. Um, I even changed the stop loss, TP, and other parameters. I added hour to this expert, but still didn't work. I hope it was useful for you and you enjoyed this video. I will test different strategies in future. I hope you will like it.